Hi, I'm Maria Camasmie, and I'm here in front of the beautiful Central Library in downtown Los Angeles for the DTLA Mini Maker Faire. This Maker Faire is host to over 100 maker booths from all over LA County, including our very own from USC. What? Let's check it out.
So a maker space is part of this new realization that we learn through many different ways. So yes, we're in the library, we do learn from books, we do learn from people talking to us, but we also learn and create working with our hands. That just means physical things, it means things virtually and digitally also. The Makerspace is a very dynamic community. We would like visitors of all ages, all experiences. I find that the best solutions or best answers or best creative answers come from, diverse backgrounds. So as a person coming in, having the willingness to learn, willingness to explore, willingness to collaborate and think creatively.
We are a group of undergrads at USC, mostly electrical engineering and computer science. This guy is a ball-throwing robot, so the idea is you can play with your dog while you're not at home. So this thing is connected to the internet, and there's also a matching phone app. So you press a button and it launches the ball, and then your dog will go fetch it and put it back into your return it.
So the reason that the library chose to start a Maker Faire back in 2016 is because 3 years before that, we've already been starting a full steam ahead initiative. So we've been putting a lot of effort. We're training a lot of librarians to be able to host these STEAM programs in the libraries for kids for free. And that ranges from coding, from robotics, from simple stuff like habitat, all kinds of interesting stuff. And now we're moving on with AI, virtual reality, teaching them how to create content that would allow us to connect the STEAM learning to a real world application. So, by gathering makers, going out looking for them, this really give them an opportunity to see by having that STEAM education, by knowing how to do science, math, technology, engineering, art, where it would take you. I get to meet so many amazing people, and so many of them are so open and so helpful. And they're so eager to share their experience, their knowledge with everybody. And that was the whole value about Maker Movement, is sharing, is that open sourcing. It's asking kids to think outside the box. So this is the perfect venue to tell them, when you think outside the box, miracles happen.
This has been the LA Mini Maker Faire in downtown Los Angeles. I personally am super inspired from all the awesome maker booths I saw today, and I hope that you are too. So you can try to find any maker space near you and start creating. I'm Maria Camasmie, and this is What?